guys, today I'm trying to do a world record of the fastest robot built in India in children. 3, 2, 1, start! Yes, no breaks this time. I should have kept this first. No, I did the same mistake again. Yeah, come on. Oh, what's next? One minute. I think I'm doing faster this time because I'm already at the head. Oh, I think I forgot the neck. Wait, there's actually no neck. I didn't saw a neck in that book, so I'm not doing a neck. Done. 2 hands done. 3, 2, 1, stop the timer! 1 minute and 52 seconds because I stopped the timer, it's 1 second late. And look at the robot. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like, subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.